The Aixam Minauto is a line of microcars produced by the French manufacturer Aixam. These vehicles are designed for urban mobility and are particularly popular in Europe due to their compact size and efficiency. Here are some key details about the Aixam Minauto. General information. Manufacturer Aixam, a French company specializing in microcars and light quadricycles. Category: microcar, light quadricycle, L6e category in Europe. Target market: urban drivers, often those who do not require a full driver's license in some countries. These cars can be driven with a special permit. Key features: compact design. Small dimensions make it ideal for city driving and parking in tight spaces. Typically seats 2 people. Engine options: electric or diesel engines are available, depending on the model. Electric versions are eco-friendly and produce 0 emissions. Diesel versions are fuel-efficient and cost-effective for short-distance travel. Performance: top speed is limited to 45 km per hour, 28 miles per hour to comply with quadricycle regulations. Lightweight construction ensures good maneuverability. Driving license requirements: in many European countries, the Aixam Minauto can be driven with an AM license, moped license, or a B1 license, making it accessible to younger drivers or those without a full car license. Safety: equipped with basic safety features such as seat belts, headlights, and turn signals. Some models may include additional features, like airbags or ABS depending on the version. Customization: Aixam offers various customization options, including different colors and trims. Popular models: Aixam Crossover, a slightly more rugged version with SUV-like styling. Aixam City, a basic model designed for urban commuting. Aixam, the electric version of the Minauto, focusing on sustainability. Advantages: low running costs, fuel efficiency or low electricity consumption. Easy to park and navigate in congested urban areas. Environmentally friendly, especially the electric models. Disadvantages: limited speed and range, not suitable for highways or long-distance travel. Minimal storage space. Basic safety features compared to standard cars. If you're considering an Aixam Minauto, it's a great choice for city dwellers looking for an affordable, eco-friendly, and easy-to-drive vehicle. Let me know if you'd like more specific details about a particular model.